As usual, welcome back to our usual math lessons. Today, let us look at partial fractions. Before that, there are three established types of fractions depending on the nature of the denominator. And these can be, we have linear factors, we have quadratic factors, and repeated factors. Here we can have their examples, like maybe if you have x plus 1 squared, this one also we can have like 4x plus 3 cubed. These can be the examples of the repeated factors. So for the quadratic factor, examples we can have like x squared plus 1, maybe 2x squared minus x plus 1, and so on. Then here we can have like x minus 1. Another one we can have like x plus 2. So today, if we are given such a partial fraction which is x minus 1 over x plus 1, then we multiply it with x minus 2. So this is linear. This is a linear factor because these examples, the denominators are like these ones, x minus 1, x plus 2. Here we have x plus 1, here we have x minus 2. So without wasting time, let's see how can we develop partial fractions from these linear factors. So here we can equivalent to, so these denominators are 2, we can say a over its denominator, we can term it as x plus 1. Then we add b, which can be x minus 2. So this one is under b, this one is under a, these denominators. So we continue. We find the LCM of these two denominators. We multiply them to all the denominators here, here, and here. So remember, now we shall get the values of a and b to look for the actual partial fractions. So here we shall have x minus 1. So the LCM of this and this, it's just by multiplication. So here we say over x plus 1, then times x minus 2. This is our initial given statement. So we multiply the LCM of a and b, it's the denominators of a and b, because we have said LCM of this one, it's by multiplication. So we multiply x plus 1, x minus 2. So this will be equaling to a into x plus 1 into x minus 2 out of its denominator, which is x plus 1, then plus b into x plus 1, then multiplied by, which is our LCM, x minus 2. So we divide it by its denominator, which is x minus 2. Here what we are going to do here, So here we can also see that x minus 2 and x minus 2 are the same, so this one can divide, so it means we can cancel them. X plus 1 and x plus 1, this one also we can cancel them. Then here x plus 1 can cancel with this one. This is x plus 1 will cancel with this one. This one remains, so here x minus 2 cancel with this one, so we shall remain with x minus 1, then is will be equaling to a into x minus 2, then plus b into x plus 1, because these ones have already cancelled. So the factors of x are equaling to, when we come here to a equaling to 2 on the side of a, then on the side of b this is a, then on the side of b x is equaling to -1, because x plus 1, if we have, like for example, x plus 1 is equaling to 0, so it means that x here will be equaling to -1, which is the same applies to this statement, because here 1 has a closed the equal sign, this side can become a negative. So let's continue. If we substitute this one to this x, we shall say 2 minus 1, because here it is x, we have substituted it to 2 here on a, then minus 1 is equaling to a into 2 minus 2, then plus b into 2 plus 1. Here we shall have 2 minus 1, it is 1, equaling to 2 minus 2, it is 0, then 0 times a, it is 0, plus 2 plus 1, that is 3, then 3, 2 plus 1 is equaling to 3, then this 3 times b, it means we shall have 3b. Then it means here we shall have 1 is equaling to 3b, then b will be equaling to 1 out of 3. This is our b. So let us look at a. So a, we have said for the side of a, we shall say -1, which is we shall put here on x, we say -1 minus 1 will be equaling to a into -1 minus 2, then plus -1 plus 1, then we multiply it with b. Here we shall say it will be -1 minus 1, if you shall have -2 is equaling to -1 minus 2, we shall have -3. -3 times 8 means we shall have -3a. Then plus, I think this is 0, because -1 plus 1 equals 0. Then 0 times b is equaling to 0. So here we shall have -2 equaling -3a. Then here we divide by -3 by -3. A will be equaling to, these ones cancels, 2 out of 3. So that is our a, and this is our b. So as we had been given before, that x minus 1 out of x plus 1 into x minus 2, it will be equaling to, now in this case a is 2 out of 3, so we shall write 2 out of 3 out of its denominator was x plus 1, so it be x plus 1, then plus b, which we have got b as 1 out of 3, out of the denominator of b was x minus 2, x minus 2. So this is the denominator, this is the denominator. We shall conclude with our final answer that x minus 1 out of x plus 1, x minus 2 will be equivalent to 2 over this denominator will multiply the denominator, so we shall say 3 over x plus 1, then plus 1 over this denominator will multiply with this denominator, so t3 out of x minus 2. So this is our final answer, of this fraction. So this is how they do partial fractions. For more videos concerning partial fractions, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more, because we shall share quadratic factors, repeated factors, and any other questions, please comment. We shall get back to you. Thank you.